Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to the first video in the tutorial series of how to make a multiplayer first-person shooter in Unity using Photon networking. So in this tutorial we'll probably just be getting Photon set up, and we'll be making or creating some prefab, setting up our scene, and probably writing our first script. So let's just go into Unity here, and it'll probably load up. Yeah, that's what I thought. So, alright, so my Unity's been crashing, so I just gotta move this project out of here. It'll let me. And reopen Unity. Alright. So, create a new project here. Let's see. Call it multiplayer FPS tutorial, and we're not going to import anything. I'm only going to import stuff as needed because it just kind of saves time. So we've got our blank project here and main camera. So let's go ahead and create some folders. So we need a resources folder, and inside that we'll create a scripts folder. Inside of that again we'll create a prefabs folder, and then we'll just create the scenes folder. So now that we've done that, we need to set up Photon. Now you can get Photon by going to the asset store, searching for Photon, and find Photon Unity networking free and import that. I'm not going to do that because it comes with a bunch of stuff I don't use. I've just kind of picked and chosen what I want. So I'm going to drag and drop that into here, and it's got a couple stuff, and you saw that setup window pop up. And what that does is, I don't use the server stuff because I'm on a Mac, so I can't. I use the cloud stuff. So what you want to do is you want to go, and if I can get this on top, God. You want to go to your account on the what is it, Exit Games Cloud or something like that. Yeah, here it is. Cloud.exitgames.com. If you created a cloud account and you're going to create an application, and you're going to copy that app ID, and you're going to paste that into here, and you're going to save it. So now it's set up with your ID. I'm going to close that. So we have Photon set up. So that's really all you need to do there. If you accidentally close out of that window, you can go to Window, Photon Unity Networking, Setup, and it's right there. So close that off. So now we've gotten that done, we're going to create some prefabs. One's going to be called Code Enabler. We're going to create another prefab, Code Game, and one more prefab, Code Menu. And we'll worry about these later. These are just going to be game objects with scripts attached to them, and it just makes it easier for dragging and dropping them onto scenes instead of having to recreate every game object. So we've done that. So I guess we can create our game objects here. I guess we could just do it in this scene. So set up our scene, Code Enabler, and code. This was Code Game, and the Code Game is where your spawn point. So wherever that game object is wherever your player is going to spawn. So that the position of that one matters. The position of the other two does not. And Code Menu. So these two get disabled. And on here we're going to create a script. Here, hold on. And we're going to call it Enable Script. And we're going to go ahead and create our Code Enabler script, and this will enable these two. Let's Let's wait for MonoDevelop to load here. Alright, so, alright, hold on, I gotta change my font here. So, we can start now. Sorry about that. My font was weird, so we're gonna go and we're gonna delete these two here, and we're just gonna do, whoops, public void awake. There we go. And in that we're gonna have an if statement. If Photon network dot room it does not equal null, then we're going to destroy the main menu. And oh wait, before we do that, sorry, you're gonna have to create two game objects. Game and main menu. Alright, sorry about that. Alright, so we're going to destroy the main menu, and we're going to set the game to active. Alright, so else, whoops, whoa. We're going to destroy the game object, and we're going to set the main menu active. Alright. So, and then we're going to destroy this. So that is our enable script, and that goes on code enabler, obviously. So you can set that up like so, just drag and drop your stuff. Oh wait, so we're gonna save the scene real quick. That goes into our scenes folder, and now we're gonna set up our prefabs. So code enabler, code game, and code menu. So now that we've done that, this pretty much will end tutorial 1. I'm just going to be recording part 2 right after this, so hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope the series will be helpful, because I don't really think anyone has done this on YouTube. I believe that all the Unity networking tutorials are for third-person games, and I can see why it's a little easier the way it's set up, but just come back to this, go to the second video after this, and we will be doing, what will we be doing? We'll be setting up our first-person networking script, and we'll probably be creating the main menu. So, thanks for watching.